Designed from the ground up to establish the way a quality four-wheel drive system should be, the MSA 4x4 Explorer Aluminium storage drawer system delivers many more features than any other four-wheel drive drawer system in the market today. Safety is something that we take seriously here at MSA 4x4, as items of load carried inside the vehicle can weigh 20 to 30 times their own static weight during impact, which is capable of causing severe bodily injuries or even death to vehicle occupants. Our new Explorer Aluminium storage drawer system has been successfully crash tested to 250 kilograms of load rating per pair of drawers to enable customers to safely carry a comfortable load. Crash-tested cargo barrier mount points and child restraint points are incorporated into the rear of the drawer frame as standard. 100% aluminium construction with anodized aluminium components means that our drawers are super strong, lightweight, and have a lifetime corrosion resistance. The patented Stay Open block allows the drawer to remain in an open position, even on a 30-degree slope. This is an important safety feature, which prevents a fully loaded, open drawer from unexpectedly slamming shut while still in use. This Stay Open block also doubles as two electrical contacts that, when the drawer is fully open, create an electrical circuit without any moving wires to power the included LED strip light. The patented internal LED strip light delivers increased practicality, complete with manual override switch conveniently located in the drawer face. Our patented ProGlide system utilises the side of the drawers and the frame as the actual slide unit, which means that no usable storage space inside the drawers are lost to traditional side slide runners. Flush finish internal drawer sides provide greater storage practicality, without any internal folds to hinder how larger items are placed inside the drawers or removed from the drawers. Flush-fitting removable wing kits are designed to clip or bolt in, allowing access to storage areas beside the drawers. This is great for customers who want to store items such as their second battery or compressor in that available space. If a customer has a Fridge DropSlide or other item hard mounted onto the wing kit, access under the drawer wings are also possible on most models due to the unique removable front-facing wing panels. Floor extensions are included as standard with dual cab ute wing kits, which are the wing pieces behind the drawers, to create a full flat surface at the back of the tray, preventing items from falling behind the drawers. Our injection moulded design registered lock system with purpose-built injection moulded frame and aluminium components help deliver a 100% safe and secure lock system that cannot be levered open from underneath, providing safe storage. An anodized knurled aluminium handle has been designed for comfort and practicality. A dust-resistant designed seal around the front panel resists ingress, making our drawers the perfect storage solution for road trips through the red dust centre of Australia. Stainless steel fasteners are also used throughout where possible for a rust-free and problem-free life. Explorer Aluminium storage drawer systems are available in 3 different lengths to suit popular wagons and dual cab utes. Whilst every detail has been taken into account and engineered specifically to deliver the best and most reliable four-wheel drive storage drawer system available in the market, MSA 4x4's lifetime guarantee ensures that all Explorer Aluminium storage drawer system customers have the peace of mind that if anything were to go wrong, that they'd be looked after. Contact your local MSA 4x4 stockist for more information on our Explorer Aluminium storage drawer system for your vehicle today.